There are the bikes. Anong problema bro sa kotse?
Ha?
Anong problema? Anong problema?
Titignan ko lang yung mga liquid.
Oh, okay.
Kung tama yung mga... Biyahe na ako ng malayo eh. I think it's good.
It's good.
Yeah, full.
Mas na rin ako. Ito lang kunan tong party na to. Mas maganda pa rin yung sa Tennessee natin kasi ang ganda ng backyard. May upuan siya.
Yes, may upuan.
Malawak. Pwede ka magkampay. Di ba?
Kita kami sa Harley sa bar. Doon sa pana.
Lagi na lang sis, lagi na lang.
Oo nga.
Check this out. Check this out.
man? I thought you did bring your bike. I thought you did bring your bike. Bahala na sila.
Bale, yan naman eh. Ito naman ang usapan.
Baka sa street sila, nasa street. Diskarte na lang dito kasi. Alam mo na.
Oo.
Pero hindi naman po. Ang mga kotse malamang nasa mga kotse. Hey! Hey, come on. Let me have a take a picture of you here, man. Nelson, come on.
See you again.
Oh,
You gotta get it for you.
thank you.
I'll get it for you.
Thank you, bro.
You gotta send me a copy of that.
Professional, man. Thank you, bro.
How far are you guys from here?
Well, we just parked there.
No, your house you're renting.
Oh, lead.
I'll give you one of these. There's your free spin ticket.
Oh, thank you.
Right
Thank
over
you.
there where it says free
Yeah.
spin, there's 4 slot machines.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We're about 8 miles.
Lead.
Oh, shit, that's
Lead.
not- I'm gonna get nailed on the way home. We're in Keystone.
Ah,
I'm 7
Babe,
miles away from home.
nandito kami sa Harley Sturgis mismo. Harley Sturgis, Junction Corner, Sherman. So, where are you heading after this?
We're going to Keystone. Try to beat the rain. I got 60 miles to hit. Try to stay dry.
it's gonna be difficult.
Yeah, we're 6 miles away from Mount Rushmore. We're in a cabin in the woods on top of a hill.
Oh, so you
Pretty sexy.
So you pull your bike with a trailer?
Yes.
Nice place.
Yes.
How long? How many days you gonna be there?
What, 8?
We're gonna leave Tuesday. But I'll call you. We're gonna go to Spearfish, and we're going to. I'll come to Spearfish tomorrow. But if you want to do Devil's Tower on Sunday, I'll invite you if you want to roll with us. Because we're gonna go to Devil's Tower.
Sunday.
In Yomi.
Sunday we're already traveling to Chicago.
Really?
Yeah.
Already headed home.
Going home.
Tomorrow morning we're leaving to Sioux City. Sioux City.
Sioux Falls.
No, Sioux City in Iowa.
Oh yeah, okay, by the university.
Yeah.
Iowa University.
We're gonna go back road. From that Sioux City, we're gonna
You're
go.
gonna take 80 home?
So you drive and then the girl.
Yeah, we're gonna go
ride in the-
down.
Yeah. But I
then
mean, you're gonna take
80 home.
You're gonna take 80 home?
Ah.
80 home.
Yeah,
We
you're
would-
gonna take 80 home instead of 90, huh?
Yeah, we've been to 90, so it's probably
Back
So
road.
you're gonna do the loop now.
I'm gonna go loop.
Alright.
It's a nice scenic road. Back road.
You guys get a chance? Oh yeah, Holy Hill, huh? Like my sister lives about 10 minutes from there.
Okay.
So, if you want to do the museum on Thursday, let me know because I'm going to go up there for a bike night on Thursday.
Thursday, there's bike night there? Okay.
So if you want to go, meet us at our house and you can ride down with us because I'm in Gurney. It's on the way down.
Yeah, you're very
I'm
close.
right off the freeway too. I'm
Yeah.
2 minutes off the freeway.
Yeah.
Boom.
Thursday.
You don't have to go. Don't have to go a country 20 miles to get on the highway.
Yeah.
I'm 2 minutes away. I'm right by Great America, right across the street from Great
Yeah,
America.
yeah, very close to Wisconsin.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Take care, guys.
All right, guys. Hey, I got one of those.
Of course. See you, brother. See you. Take care. Hello, guys. Yeah. Woo. I just want to drink. That's it. Just want to something like lemon juice, buko juice. Alam mo, babe, why we just walk around the busy street? Ano tayo, osyoso lang. Diyan, likod tayo ganun. Hindi tayo malupag ganun. Gusto ko magdaan sa mga. Hindi tayo magdaan. And then we go to Harley after that. We go Harley that time. It's okay with you? Saan tayo ganun? Balik tayo. Diyan lang, kanto lang. Kanto lang? Oo. Okay, you want a shortcut? Want a shortcut? ng park sa Sturgis. Si Nelson. Kape, hindi pa kumakain. Ako mag-drinks lang ako.